Welcome to Investing Zone, everybody. Today I'm gonna talk to you about Affirm stock, which is a stock that has created a lot of hype around itself for the past few days just because it's gone up so much. And we're also gonna dive into the reason behind why it's gone up so much and where we can expect the stock to go next. Is it gonna go up? Is it gonna go down? Stick around until the end of the video to find out. But before we start, I invite you to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one in the future. And remember, this is not financial advice, but it's just my opinion on what we can expect in the future about this stock and what will happen next. First of all, like always, I'll open up the price chart here and we can see that the current price is sitting around $123. But we can see that since the 9th of September 2021, the price has just been continuously going up and shows no sign of stopping. In fact, it's gone up from $91 all the way to $123, and that's a big increase that definitely caught the attention of a lot of investors. Now I'll take you on stock tweets, and this is basically where you can see the social investing activity around a stock, and this is combined with crypto as well. So you can see something like Luna is on there too. We can see on the ranking that the first stock on the list is actually Affirm, which is a really good sign for the growth of the stock. And also there is a list for most active and watched stocks as well, and we can see that Affirm is also second on the watched list, which means that a lot of people are watching this stock. So basically they are being watched almost the most, and they are trending first on the list, which really goes to show you how much attention this stock has caught and the hype that it has around itself at the moment. So before we get into the news article and the technical analysis, stick to the end if you don't want to miss that. Let's take a quick look at the financials and earning calls first. We can see here that the EPS did miss by 97.15%. However, the revenue did beat by 16.66%. And that is the thing with growth stocks. We really want the revenue to be in green. Of course, we also want the earning per share to be in green, but as long as the revenue is in green, that's what we want to see. And at the bottom, we can also see that the expected revenue was 224.39 million, and the reported revenue was actually 261.78 million. Okay, so now we can read the article from CNBC, and we can see that the title is Affirm stock skyrockets after company reports 71% revenue growth and strong guidance. Affirm reported better than expected revenue for the fourth quarter after the bad Thursday and gave strong guidance for the current quarter. The stock soared more than 20% in extended trading following the report. The blockbuster earnings report comes after Affirm last month announced it's teaming up with Amazon to launch the e-commerce giant's first partnership with an installment payment player. We've already been through the earnings. The stock soared more than 20% in extended trading following the report. Here's how the company did. Affirm is one of the leading players in the burgeoning buy now, pay later space, which allows people to split the payment for their purchases into installments. Founded in 2013 by PayPal co-founder Max, Affirm made its stock market debut in January, with shares beginning trading at $90 after listing at $49 apiece. Affirm gave upbeat guidance for the current quarter. It expects revenue for the fiscal first quarter of 2022 to come in at $240 million to $250 million, which surpassed analyst estimates of $233.9 million. Now, this is again one of the reasons why the stock went up so much and why people are bullish on this one. The company had 7.1 million active customers as of the fourth quarter, up from 5.4 million in the previous period, which goes to show how much popularity the stock gained in the last in the last few months. And the blockbuster earnings report comes after Affirm last month announced it's teaming up with Amazon to launch the e-commerce giant first partnership with an installment payment player. The partnership allows Amazon customers in the US to split purchases of $50 or more into smaller monthly installments. Again, justifying why people are so bullish on this stock lately. Finally, when asked how the partnership with Amazon came together, Levchin said on a call with investors that large retailers are realizing the buy now, pay later trend isn't just a fad or future. They look to us as a provider. In the earnings report, Affirm said its guidance for the full year and fiscal first quarter doesn't factor in any potential contributions to revenue or gross merchandise volume from the partnership with Amazon, which is currently being tested with select customers before rolling out more broadly in the coming months. And that's a big catalyst for the stock going forward, which means that we should expect the price to rise up in the future even more. Okay, so we can finally get into the technical analysis for today. And we can see that, as we read in the article before, we can see that the initial price when the stock first IPO'd was $90, and it slowly made its way up to the all-time high, which was $142. And since then, it fell down to earth, eventually bottoming for $47 on the 13th of May 2021. And then since then, it's kind of been trying to make a trend upwards until obviously the very bullish news of the partnership with Amazon came, which made the price go up from $67 all the way up to almost $100. And then since then, it's been slowly dripping below until the price hit $88. And then that's when the earning calls and the updated guidance came in, and obviously they did very good, which consequently led the price to go up from $88 all the way to $123. But yeah, in terms of what to expect next, I personally kind of expect Affirm to drop back to around $115 and make a very good support here, and probably resistance where they top out right now, so $125. Now it's hard to tell where the stock will go next, but if it does stay above $115, I would expect it to make a new support level here and try to make a trend up, as the news is very bullish and it's going to be good for them going forward, and they're probably going to be following a positive trend just like they did at the start when they first IPO'd, and hopefully we can see the stock hit the all-time high price once more. So this is all I have for you guys today. The news is good, the expectations are high, and that's what we want to see. Let me know in the comments if you own Affirm or if you are an investor looking at this.